Mastering the Art of Kneading Dough, a guide for English learners. Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating aspect of the English language and baking culture, kneading the dough. This phrase not only enriches your vocabulary but also opens a window into the culinary arts. Whether you're an English language learner, a budding baker, or simply curious, this video is tailored for you. Let's unravel the layers behind this expression and discover its significance both linguistically and practically. Kneading refers to the process of working dough with the hands to mix ingredients thoroughly and to develop gluten. This action involves pressing, folding, and stretching the dough. It's a fundamental technique in baking that affects the texture and quality of bread and other baked goods. The term dough specifically means a mixture of flour, water, and other ingredients, which can be shaped and eventually baked. When we say kneading the dough, we're talking about a physical and somewhat rhythmic action that is essential in baking. It's not just about mixing. It's about transforming the dough into a smooth, elastic ball ready for baking. This phrase can be taken both literally, in a culinary context, and metaphorically, in discussions about putting effort into a task to achieve a desired outcome. Kneading dough has several key purposes. Developing gluten. This gives bread its structure and chewiness. Distributing ingredients evenly. Ensuring that yeast, salt, and other components are well mixed. Incorporating air. This helps in the fermentation process, leading to a better rise and lighter texture. Understanding the importance of kneading can greatly enhance one's appreciation for the art of baking and the patience required to master it. It's not just about following a recipe. It's about engaging with the process and learning to feel when the dough has been kneaded enough. The phrase, kneading the dough, offers a glimpse into the universal nature of baking across cultures. While the ingredients and techniques may vary, the essential process of kneading is a common thread. This can be a wonderful metaphor for the process of learning and mastering a new skill, especially a language. Just as kneading requires time, effort, and patience, so does learning English or any new language. Furthermore, exploring phrases like this can enrich your language skills by adding context and cultural depth, making your learning journey more engaging and practical. We hope you've enjoyed exploring the meaning and significance of kneading the dough with us. Whether you're in the kitchen or the classroom, remember that the process of learning and growing takes time and effort, much like kneading dough to perfection. Keep practicing, stay curious, and don't forget to enjoy every step of your learning journey. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content soon.